So today is the last day of this airdrop, BRC airdrop. So it will be listed on Gates, Bitmart, Uniswap, and PancakeSwap. So the listing time is 12 p.m. UTC. So on which day? So today is the last day. I'll show you how you can do the steps. It's easy tasks. So I'll put you the link in the description or in the comment section down below. And you have to sign up with Google, and input your new password, and then use my referral link to increase your points. The first task is tweet on their Twitter account. It will give you 10 points per day. So and you can invite friends, 10 per one invite. So click on wallet, connect wallet. I'll put you the contract address in the description down below, and go to your wallet and add this token, and then just by doing that you get 3 pointers. So today the last day, be quick